Welcome to Data Entry Masterclass Lesson 1. I am Irene, the coach at Luminous Digital Campus, where we train beginners to become experts in different remote skills. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do, so that you can always get information pertaining remote jobs that will help you in your freelance career. So let's begin. What is data entry? Data entry is the process of inputting, updating, or managing data in a computer system. It involves typing, copying, or transferring information from one source to another, often using a software like spreadsheets, that is Excel or Google Sheets or databases. Here are the key aspects of data entry. Number 1. Types of data. It involves text, numbers, codes, or images. Number 2. Tools that are used. You need Excel, Google Sheets, databases, or specialized softwares. Number 3. The skills that you need. The typing speed, accuracy, attention to detail, and the basic computer knowledge. Number 4. The common jobs of a data entry expert. Entering customers' information, processing invoices, and updating records. Let's break down the types of data in data entry. Number 1, text data. This includes names, addresses, product descriptions, or any written information. It also includes used databases, customer records, and forms. Number 2, numerical data. It involves numbers like prices, phone numbers, sales figures, or statistics. This form of data is often used in financial records, reports, and invoices. Number 3, codes and symbols. These include product codes, barcodes, passwords, or special identifiers. They are used in inventory management, security systems, and logistics. Number 4, image data. It includes scanned documents, receipts, or photos that need to be stored or processed digitally. They are commonly used in medical records, identification systems, and document management. Let's move on to text. Text data in data entry includes words, sentences, and characters used for documentation, communication, and record keeping. It is one of the most common types of data. Here are examples of text data in data entry. Number 1, customer information, which include names, addresses, emails, and phone numbers. Number 2, product descriptions. These include features, specifications, and brand names. Number 3, reports and forms. These include business reports, medical reports, and legal documents. And number 4, emails and messages, which include correspondence, feedback, and inquiries. Here are some of the challenges in entering text data. Number 1, we have typos and spelling errors, which can lead to incorrect records. Secondly, we have formatting issues. Text may need to follow a specific structure. Number 3, data consistency. Always you need to have your data consistent. This is by ensuring uniformity in names, abbreviations, and formats. Below is the customer's details in an unorganized format. Your job is to neatly enter the data into a structure format like a table. And here is the raw data. You can see the name for John Doe. Secondly, we have Sarah Smith. And thirdly, we have Mike O'Brien. You are supposed to correct from capitalization, email errors, phone numbers, and consistency. You also need to organize the data into a structure form like a table. You can see I did that for you. The correct alphabetic order from John to Sarah. I capitalized the first letter of their names, then the correct order of their phone numbers, and the email addresses must be in lowercase. And you can see that, and I put that in a table using Microsoft Excel. Let's move on to numerical data. Numerical data in data entry consists of numbers used in calculations, identification, or record keeping. It is essential in finance, inventory, management, and statistics. Here we have types of numerical data. Number one, we have whole numbers, which include employee IDs, product codes, and order numbers. Secondly, we have decimals, which include prices, financial transactions, and measurements. Number three, we have percentages, which include discounts, interest rates, and growth rates. Number four, we have dates and time, that is birth dates, timestamps, and deadlines. Fourthly, we have phone numbers, that is contact information, which must be formatted consistently. And here are some of the challenges in entering numerical data. Number one, we have typing errors, and a small mistake can change the meaning. Secondly, we have format consistency, ensuring numbers follow a standard format. For instance, the currency and dates. The format must be consistent. Number three, data validation. This includes checking duplicates, missing values, and incorrect entries. And now we can try a numerical data exercise. And here is the task. Below is a list of an unorganized numerical data. Your job is to check the correct formatting issues and neatly enter them in a structured format. So you're going to do task 1, 2, and 3. Then format all the prices in the same currency style. And you can see the example here. Start with the dollar sign. Then ensure that all discounts use a percentage and are written uniformly. You can see an example of 10%. Then standardize all the dates as provided. And now we can move on to codes and symbols. Codes and symbols in data entry include unique identifiers, shorthand notations, and special characters used for classification, security, and organization. And here are the types of codes and symbols. Number one, we have product codes. You can see the examples. Number two, transaction, and number three, security codes and passwords. And you can see the pins, OTPs, and so forth. Number four, we have mathematical and currency symbols, percentage, dollars, euros, and so forth. And number five, abbreviations and notations. And you can see the examples there. Let's move forward to challenges in entering codes and symbols. Number one, case sensitivity. Number two, typographic errors. And number three, formatting consistency. And here is a task for you. Below is a list of unorganized codes and symbols. Your job is to correct formatting issues and neatly enter them into a structured format. You can see the raw data. Number one, number two, number three. Then we have the instructions. Standardize the product codes. Number two, format invoice numbers consistently, and you can see the format. Then ensure that the prices follow uniform currency. That is, start with the symbol of dollar. Let's proceed to image data in data entry. Image data refers to scanned documents, photos, or graphical content that needs to be processed and stored digitally. It is commonly used in medical records, identification system, and document management. Here are types of image data: scanned documents, photographs, diagrams and charts, handwritten notes. And here are some of the challenges in entering image data. Number one, we have optical character recognition, what we call OCR, that is converting image to text in a digital text. Number two, we have file formats, JPEG, PNG, PDF, and others. And lastly, we have image clarity. And low quality scans can lead to errors. Here is a task for you. Imagine that you received a scanned document containing handwritten customers' detail. Your task is to convert image-based information into a structured digital content. That is, convert this image into MS Word. So you're going to go through the image, then type it. Work on all the tasks in this lesson.